How we doing, everybody? I'm Dustin Prevete, Senior Product Manager here at LATICRETE International, and today I'm going to walk you through the anatomy of our new 4x4 bonding flange kits. So when you open up the package, you're going to see a number of different components. We're going to start off with our 4x4 grate itself. That comes in oil rubbed bronze, brushed and polished stainless, and also a tile-in version. You're going to see the adjusting ring. And then you're going to get the bonding flange itself, along with our 3-inch diameter waistline adapter. So first, I'll walk you through, why do we have these holes? Why do we have these cuts? These cuts are molded in specifically to the bonding flange drain to allow for a better mechanical bond, whether it be to a bed of liquid applied waterproofing or also our sheet membrane. So the thin set can then set in, wrap around the PVC or the ABS, depending on what bonding flange drain you have, and allow for just a better bond. Also, the adjusting ring itself is here for when the grate is applied to the bonding flange and then placed over the waterproofing. This allows for a little bit of play. So once tile is installed, it'll allow a little wiggle room for you to better match up with the type of tile that's used for a better cosmetic look and for the overall installation. Last but not least, we have our 3-inch adapter. So the drains themselves are molded to accept a 2-inch domestic waste outlet. The adapter then allows it to be a 3-inch domestic use for 3-inch domestic waste outlets. And then we also allow for the ability for you to cut off the bottom of the drain with either a hacksaw or a circ saw to allow for a 4-inch diameter acceptance. So I hope that was helpful to kind of give you an overview of what you're getting with this new launch, to tie in all of the features and the uses for each of the componentry, and just to give you a better overall sense of how this can be used on the job site. Thanks.